put your vision board somewhere that you can actually see it every single day. To be honest, I never really completed any vision board fully, but I always did write my goals. This time I want to make it a little bit different. I want to be very accurate towards my goals, towards what I want, and put it into a vision board. Hello my beautiful people, my name is Sheila and welcome to my channel. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and for the newbies, welcome! And for everybody, just hit the like button and make sure that you turn on your notification bell so that you know whenever I post something new. Vision boards are a photo representation of your ideal life, your goals and aspiration. And it is said that when you put your goals into a picture, you see it every day, it manifests greater. Now, like I said, I haven't done a full vision board before. I did one in college and I think that was a fail. Probably one thing came out of this, but now I want to do it right. I really hope that you can do one too with me. I don't have any materials, so I'm going to do it digitally, either with InDesign or Canva, whatever you may feel comfortable with. It's up to you. For me, I may do it with InDesign. I'm going to show you the screen and we'll get started, right? Alright guys, so here we have it. We're on InDesign, and as you can see on the left, I already did the design that I want, just because I wanted to not waste time. So we have what I want, my goals, and I'll explain in a little bit how I did everything so that you can do your process just about the same way. And like I said, you can use Canva, and it's a free app that does everything for you. It's very easy, and there are other tutorials out there to use it, but this video is more focused on what your goals are and how we can put them into pictures. So what I first started in, if you know InDesign a little bit, if you are a beginner, I started to work with my grid. So I created a grid, and this is how I would lay out certain things. So I kind of did this a little quickly just because I did this already in another page. So I just want to show you, the grids are not perfect right now because you see here this is smaller than this, but my grids are equal in my other page. But just to show you an idea, when you put on the grid, it helps you put things in perspective, and it helps you, for me, it helps me move around and do many things, because I guess I like structure that way. So there you have it. All right, so on the left, let's go and visit my goals. So we're gonna go from top to bottom. Over here we have our home. So I want to move out and have an apartment with my partner. We know where we want to go, and that's for me. We have family and friends, that's included. Sometimes vision boards is also great to have wordings, because even though a picture says 1,000 words, it's always great to just put your goals there. And if you can also see, I just want to point that out so that you don't put any comment. Certain things I blocked out, mainly because I want to keep the privacy of the people that I put there private. All right. And we have here Paris. I've never been, and I do want to go. And this is a picture of my partner, of course, over there. So that's why you see love, respect, and friendship. And over here, my 2020 goals, so this is part of the personal. So remember we had the personal, professional, and okay, so we have the personal, professional, and philanthropy. Oh wow, the voice sounds a little better. I don't know if you noticed. I picked up the microphone. Anyway, I'm still working on what to do with that. Okay, so my personal is all over the place, but I just wanted to make it look a little better, a little better, so that's why it's not organized that way. It's an organized mess. All right, personal. Let's go to the personal. We have home, we have travels, and then we have body, and we have self-confidence over here. And that's a quote for self-confidence and self-awareness. Every day, women like us, we battle. We do have these issues, and it doesn't matter if you are very confident. There are times where you can get a little doubtful about yourself. So this quote, I found it on the internet, and all the pictures, I found them on the internet, and it's about it's from Mark Antony. And one day she discovered that she was fierce and strong and full of fire, and that not even she could hold herself back because her passion burned brighter than her fears. I think that really resembles what I want in this year, what I want to portray for myself this year. And also we have personal here, which is style, body, and spirit. Of course, I mentioned in one of my videos that I want to work on my stomach. And also style, because lately I've been looking like a hobo and I kind of need to really improve my style. That doesn't mean that I need to spend too much on it. I just need to really be put together. See? Always put together. Yay! Active lifestyle, flat stomach, active lifestyle, more energy, mental awareness, which is yoga. So I don't know if I'm going to put my goals somewhere on the side. Maybe. I'm already late for this video, so I don't think that I should waste any more time to do that. And let's go to professional. All right, professional is around here. So, and also personal, I did some wordings where I want to save, I want to pay my student debts, I want to continue investing in dividends, and I hope that I can have my first rental income property. We don't know. Let's just see how this will go. But that's for probably the end of the year, because I need to make that happen. The things here are more numbers that I want for myself. It's for me, I just want to keep that a little private, just because this is my vision board and I'm just showing you what you can do for yours. And you can put whatever number that you have. So over here I have a number set for my business that I am working on, and also here that is still professional, we have experience, and I want to get my ARE license. So I am an architect. Well, I'm a designer. Architects have the license, and I want to get my ARE. So that would be a number when you get your license. I guess you can get a job and then give a set number. Anyways, let's continue. We have Architect T Studio. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but Architect T Studio is a business that I started, and what I do, it has two parts. One part is the shop side, which you can see I create jewelry and interior decor items. Over here, there's more in the description. You'll find more of what I do, and they're all out of concrete for this year. And the second part, which is the studio side, I do want to do
interior architecture for the studio side that I have. So that's part of Architecty Studio. And let's see here, professional still, YouTube. YouTube is a great way to put whatever you want out there, your business out there, and it's a great platform. So I do want my platform to grow, and I know this is a lot because I'm only at 138 subscribers right now, so I don't know if that ever will make it, but the goal is to get there and to strive for something a little bit bigger and to be monetized. So it's also great to utilize the resources that YouTube gives us, and if I get to have a little extra income with that, that's always a bonus. So I hope that you like what I did over here. It's for me it's okay, but it's not necessarily aesthetically pleasing. It's straight to the point. Oh, and philanthropy. All right, I didn't talk about that. So I'm from Haiti, and over here I just want to, this is a icon meaning give back, and so I don't know what I want to do yet, but I do want to contribute to my country because I have a duty towards it. So let's see what this year will bring. Anyway, I think that's all, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this. So for InDesign, I do recommend you to go and get a video, because this is not a video where I show you how to get your this is not an InDesign tutorial, so you won't get your lesson there. You won't get any knowledge for InDesign from me here. You will, however, get the steps and the notion that I put into my goals. I really wanted to be focused on what I was saying, on what I was writing, and I really wanted that to be as minimal as it can be, so that when I do wake up and I see this every day, I can just look at it and really have a clear view of what I need to do for the day. This is my motivation board, and yeah, that's it. So I already grouped it. I'm gonna just put it back and print it out, and then that's it. Let's go back out there.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and remember to push your notification bell so that you know whenever I upload something new. I also have activities that I do in the description box. You'll know more about what I do, my background, my background's business that I'm starting up, and yeah, anything else. Just if you like to read, it's a bunch of stuff and it's there. So yeah, thank you so much again for watching. I hope that you have a great day. Put your vision board somewhere that you can actually see it every single day, because this is a great motivation for you and for your goals. Remember, 2020 is the time so that we can produce at least one thing that we want. One thing that we want from that vision board. We have to happen. Well, we have to make it happen. And until then, à la prochaine. Bye!